to DWGO 88.3 1FM. You're only 1FM. This is your music and news FM in Legazpi City. 88.3 DWGO 1FM. Member KBP.
Oras, 5:00 ng pagkahapon.
Isang pagbati ng maligayang Pasko mula sa Department of Health Bicol Center for Health Development. Salubungin ang Pasko ng malusog, masigla at protektado mula sa mga banta ng sakit at injury. Laging tandaan ang malinis na food preparation. Kumain ng masustansya. Iwasan din ang labis na pag-inom ng alak. Huwag gumamit ng ipinagbabawal na paputok. Gawin ligtas Christmas. Dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay ay mahalaga.
Is your only one 1FM.
Namamasko po. Siguruhin safe at healthy ang celebration with your family. Narito ang ilang tips para sa malusog at likas na Pasko. Tamang pagkain, ehersisyo at disiplina ang kailangan para sa isang healthy handaan. Iwas paputok para iwas disgrasya at sakit. Para be healthy, don't drink and drive. Gawing ligtas ang Christmas dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Isang paalala mula sa inyong DOH Bicol Center for Health Development.
Ini po ang sa indong board member Vince Baltasar, kang probinsya ng Albay. Nagpapaabot kimaugmang Pasko asin masaganang bagong taon.
You're only one. You're only one. You're only one.
1FM. You're only 1FM.
Ang nag-iisa para sa'yo, kawan. 1FM.
1FM.
You're only one. We 1FM.
You have been listening to DWGO 88.3 1FM, owned and operated by the Radio Audience Developers Integrated Organization Incorporated. Its studio and transmitter is located at Pawa Road, Purok 5, Barangay Rawis, Legazpi City. DWGO 88.3 1FM will be now signing off. This is your only 1FM, DWGO 88.3.
You're listening to DWGO 88.3 1FM. You're only 1FM.